When most people think of cleaning their car, they imagine a normal car wash. A quick rinse, a bit of soap, and the visible dirt is gone. But that's only the surface. At Elite Shine, professional car detailing goes far beyond. It is a meticulous process that cleans, restores, and protects your vehicle, inside and out. On the exterior, Elite Shine's detailing removes embedded contaminants that a regular wash can't reach. Polishing corrects swirl marks and minor imperfections, restoring depth and clarity to the paint. Headlights are renewed, wheels and brake components are thoroughly cleaned, and the engine bay is carefully detailed. Inside, every surface is addressed with the same precision. Carpets, upholstery, and leather are deep cleaned. Stains are removed, and dashboards, consoles, and panels are restored to a like-new finish. Even vents, glass, and hard-to-reach areas receive attention. The result is more than a clean car. It's a vehicle that is preserved, protected, and presented at its absolute best. Elite Shine, where every detail matters.